It's 9:20 Friday. So I'm going to get some of the sisig left over because they went to the life group. David and I didn't went. You like it? Yeah, it's yummy. I fixed it again. See? Wait lang. Asan ba yun? I fixed it because it popped out. This one, I transferred it here. Okay. I think it's much better kasi kapag kahit ano naman okay. Yun nga lang sa experience ko, yung nail polish after 4 days, it will chip out. Something like that. Ito kasi pag nagpapa-out, binabalik ko lang. So, pag tinamad na ako, yoko na. Hindi, joke lang. Uy, sisig to. Hinalo ko siya. I mix it with rice. Wait lang ha. Pakita ko sa inyo yung buko salad. Ginamit ni Hadassah yung cream juice me. Buti may natirang konting cream, kaya tuloy. May natira pa. Hindi iniwan. Sabi ko iwan kay Sis Leia yung iba. Or buko salad. Ano ba yan? Walang laman. Bakit walang laman tong isa? Ewan ko dun sa taong. Sandali. Okay na yan. Marami pa naman. Pagsama-samahin ko na lang. Oh, Sis Leia is so sweet. So, she got me this because they all know that my sore throat is more than 2 weeks. Sabi pa ng isang ka-churchmate, did you went to the doctor for check-up? So, I look in YouTube. It said, I have to put hot water and then teaspoon of salt. That's what I do, gargle it, then it works miracle, something like that. Parang the doctor was advising that. That's what I do, something like that. So, naisip ko naman, bakit pa ako pupunta sa doktor kung yun na rin naman ang advice, diba? But, yeah, she's so sweet. She gave me peppermint tea. She said, drink it with honey. Right? They miss me. Hindi na nila ako nakita ng ilang araw. So, let's try this. Actually, I can speak now Before, di ba, masyadong So, let's try this for sore throat. And hopefully, March, April, this is gone. I'm sure, May, June, July, December, wala na ako sore throat. Okay. Pero kakain pa ulit ako Ilipat ko yan. Bigay ko sa kids tomorrow. Okay, let's try this. Have a great day. We love you. Have a great week, Island. Sana pinalansya ko to. Alam mo yung painting mo yung wall? Ito na lang. Hindi ko na pinainting. Nilagay ko na lang. Katamaran. Meron ako magandang nakitang mga doon, big garden. Hi, Hana. Alam mo yun pa yung project ko. Love you. Have a great week and great days. Take care. David is sleeping already,